Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you my brand new Seikomod. This, what you're seeing on screen right here, is the beautiful Seiko Daytona in black and gold. So I just want to do a quick review of what I think is good about this watch, how it's come out, and yeah, if you want to purchase one of these you can do so using the link in the description below. So first things first, right off the bat, because it's a Daytona, this is a 40mm face. It wears a little bit smaller than a 40mm though, because of this chunky bezel here going all the way around. This bezel is ceramic, full black with engraved digits, and it is executed really well. So the face is going to be black here, and we've got gold hands on this one, along with white lume inside. We've also got gold hands for all of the smaller dials as well. So you can see here that the bottom dial is ticking. This is for the seconds. This one here also works as well, and this one here also works as well. And of course we have this large dial as well that goes all the way around. This is a minute timer, and you can find this on the actual Rolex Daytona as well. And the functionality works on this Seiko as well, which I'll show you in a second. On the back we've got a closed case back. We've got a lovely brushed gold sort of finish on this one. Of course it's not real gold, it is 904L stainless steel, which is going to be corrosion proof, and also it's going to be waterproof as well. We've put this one on a very nice oyster flex band, which is basically a black rubber strap along with a gold clasp. The gold clasp does also have the Seiko logo on as well, as you can see. Very nice. So yeah, I'm just going to quickly demonstrate to you the functionality of the chronograph. So in order to use, you're going to basically unscrew both of these crowns here, so the top and the bottom one. And if we press the top one here, as you can see, you can hear the click, and the chronograph functionality will start to work. We press that again to stop the stopwatch, and then once again we can press the bottom one here to reset the timer. So this Seikomod is using the Seiko VK63 movements, which is a Meca-Quartz movement. And what that is basically a quartz movement which is powering 4 dials essentially. So the main dial here that you can see, and also 1, 2, 3, these 3 dials as well. So I'm just going to quickly demonstrate to you the actual timing function. Well, the actual time keeping function. So that's basically the main dial. Just going to show you that it is fully working. So we are going to unscrew the crown, then we are going to pull the crown out as so, and as you can see we can now change the time. And I want you to keep an eye on this dial here. So this is a 24-hour clock essentially. So as you move the time, you can see that the needle on that chronograph dial is also moving as well. So that's just a quick demonstration of all the dials working. So this piece is available from our store. Once again, the link will be in the description below. If you would like to purchase this but with a different color or a different sort of design, then you can let us know and put in a custom order, and there will be a link to the customs line. As you can see, shines bright like a diamond underneath the sunlight. This is going to be a very nice piece, especially for the dressier occasions. If you're wearing a white shirt or you're wearing a suit, this is going to look very nice. If you want to wear it casually as well, this is also going to look really good as well. The look to look width on these watches are 20mm, which means that you can swap it out for a different strap as well. So we've got the rubber strap on here, which is a bit more casual. You can also get the oyster bracelet or a jubilee bracelet or any metal bracelet that you like, and you can snap that on here with not a lot of effort. So that's also another great thing about this watch. This watch is 30 meters water resistance, so you are free to sort of splash about, but yeah, don't go diving in the water with a watch like this. Now for those who do want to purchase, this is available just on the watch on its own, or you can actually purchase this as part of a gift pack, which I would just like to show you now. So in the premium gift pack, you're basically going to get a leather watch roll in which you can store your watch, and you will also receive your watch in a black leather watch box essentially. So you'll receive this in here, and you will also receive the leather pouch as well, and that's really good, especially if you're traveling around or you want to store your watch in. You know, these two things are obviously very, very good to keep your investment safe. Obviously this is an add-on. If you're gifting to somebody, it's a great idea to maybe consider this, because it's just a better unboxing experience for the person who's receiving the gift. But yeah, like I said, if you do want to purchase it on its own, you can also purchase it on its own as well. You'll receive this in a small tin. But yeah, take a look at that, guys. So thank you for watching the video. If you did enjoy, let me know. Click the like button, and I will see you in another video. Thank you very much.